Good afternoon. We begin with the financial crisis at ICBC. The Crown Corporation is facing a near $1 billion loss in just 9 months. The provincial government says the system is broken and it is promising action. Nafisa Karim is live outside the cabinet offices at Canada Place. Nafisa, you've just heard from the Attorney General on this. What does David Eby plan to do about this?
Well, he said it's not going to be a quick fix, and he did mention some specifics that will be coming during the spring legislative session. Changes like capping payments for minor injuries, auto body shops, as well as making high-risk drivers pay more. David Eby answering a lot of questions from reporters here at the cabinet offices, fresh on the heels of this weekend's revelation of just how dire ICBC's financial outlook is. It is projecting a net loss of almost $1.3 billion by the end of this fiscal year. In a statement on its website, ICBC says the amount of premiums we are collecting from customers is not covering the ever-increasing amounts we are paying out in claims costs. This is not sustainable. David Eby placing the blame squarely on the shoulders of the BC Liberals, calling this a financial dumpster fire.
They knew the dumpster was on fire, but they pushed it behind the building. British Columbians were not told the truth about the state of ICBC. They were told the problem was not serious, a loss of about 100 times less than was actually the case.
The Canadian Taxpayers Federation says it is time to overhaul the system and open it up to competition, but not everyone thinks that will mean lower prices.
Quebec has a blended system, so injuries to the person are covered by the province, but damage to the vehicle is dealt with privately. They've actually got the lowest rates in all of Canada.
Privatize it so we can enjoy what everyone else around the world enjoys, competitive rates. Yeah, instead of the government having a monopoly.
I don't know whether that would actually turn out to be competitive and reduce rates.
So, Nafisa, troubling news for drivers. Are there plans to raise rates or introduce private insurance?
Okay, we asked about all of those things. We did see a rate increase of 6.4% in November. David Eby says that premiums would have to go up by $400 just for ICBC to break even. Now, he did not rule out further rate hikes, but he also says he doesn't want to make insurance unaffordable. We also asked about privatization. He is not ruling that out either, but he says it hasn't made insurance cheaper in all jurisdictions. But one thing he is ruling out, and that is no-fault insurance.